NEXUS, we have mapped out internally 3 key exploitable results that we think that might have different real-life impact and have a time to market that also differs within them. So we have one is a handbook on how AI will act as a game changer for metro operations in the future. The second one is a new planning model specifically devoted to metro systems. In the third one, we are looking to the brain metro systems, so to the train control, whose time to market will be certainly longer than all others because it's much more demanding from the industrial development point of view.
Related with the part that AMT can apply in the future for the answer that arrived from the NEXUS project, we like a lot the works related with the interior design of the metro train, because the partner make a lot of works and interview and study related on that, involving Siemens that is not now working in AMT but is one of the biggest player in the world related with this project, with this goal. And so the solution suggested during the project, we think that we can apply in the future further buying of a train in our metro part.
So with digital twins, we create virtual replicas of environments, and we can do it in many fields. For example, in the NEXUS project, we did it for metros, for both network and station, but we have experience also in logistics hubs, in neighborhoods of cities. And what we do is we study how to modify the processes and the operations in certain areas. And so instead of doing difficult and expensive and disruptive trials in the real world, we can do trials in virtual environments, having it more as a lightweight operation. And in addition, we can also try to investigate on what didn't go right or what is not going right in a certain operation. So we can study which are the bottlenecks, which are the most difficult or crucial elements, and this is also a nice way to investigate what is happening in the processes.
The second activity that UNITE performed was related to the optimization. In this connection, we are testing solutions related to a high degree of automation. In particular, we focus on very reduced headways, 90 seconds, in order to have a bigger frequency and a bigger capacity, and virtual coupling. In this connection, in particular with respect to virtual coupling, the activity is exciting because in the past we did some theoretical works on this matter, but we never had the opportunity to test in a more realistic environment. So using the simulator that we have developed, the data coming from the operators, we are now able to predict at least what is going to happen in a realistic scenario and see if this solution can be effective or not.
The AI system may create some vulnerabilities that are new and open door to potential attack. What we are doing to prevent us is a security validation layer that runs all the time and tries to predict this kind of attacks. For example, there are specific rules, such as, you remember Robocop, protect the innocent, uphold the law, and something like that. So our system has specific rules embedded in order to prevent the use of AI out of the specifications. For example, the AI cannot be in charge of systems that are very important for the security of the passengers.
I believe that the demand forecasting work that Aston University has been developing within the NEXUS project is one of the most promising outcome. Actually, Aston University is currently a member of the Demand Forecasting Handbook Working Group, which involves most of the important players for rail demand forecasting in the UK. And we regularly engaged with this group and clearly reinforced the work that we have done for NEXUS and integrated into the real practices, making sure that there will be real practical impacts create. Apart from that, we are still leading the simulation modeling work in NEXUS, and we believe that this work will also open the avenues for future work within this task by using event-based simulation modeling.